We would like to lighten the part by patterning these cutouts. We select the front plane to give the pattern direction and then choose Linear Pattern. We'll adjust the spacing and instances. New to 2024 is Symmetric Linear Pattern, so we no longer need to use the Pattern Seed Only tick box, and it will ensure the pattern remains symmetric should you wish to make changes to the spacing and instances. Next, we'll move to the Surfacing tab. Let's copy a surface using the Offset Surface tool, setting the offset value to 0mm. Let's say this is an injection moulded part. I would like to capture the internal triangles of the copied surface as shut-off surfaces. New to 2024 is the ability to exclude parent surface in the Untrim Surface command. As you can see, when we hide the solid, we are left with the copied surface and all the individual untrimmed surfaces.